And this is my French press that I have from the Amazon team. I've had it for quite some time and I really enjoy using it, but I've realised I've never done a review. It is a nice glass unit here with this really good handle for gripping, and it is, I feel like when I grip it, it's got a really nice solid handle. It is obviously glass with the plunger, and it has the grill there to prevent any bits when you pour out the coffee when you've made it hitting into your coffee. So I've added my coffee in. Don't judge me, I'm one scoop girly. I don't like my coffee too strong. And then I'm going to put in my boiling water. And I'm just going to put mine to there. I don't want a bit more than that. I don't want too much. Now, if you want to use this for just making traditional coffee, using the grounds, you can. But you can also leave it to use it for cold brew as well, which I have done in the past before. So yeah, it's got a really good little mesh here, so this will protect it from, push all the grains through. And when you plunge it down, it will press all of the coffee down to the base. I'm just going to let it steep for a moment longer. So I'm going to pop the top on there. Just for demonstration purposes, I am going to press down, and it goes down ever so smoothly. Like this. Obviously, you leave it to steep and brew as long as you wish. There we go. It's very, very smooth. There's no juddering or anything like that. And there you go. You have your coffee ready to go. Some people call it a French press. Some people call it a cafetière, depending where you're from, if you want to be fancy. But yeah, it's done the job. I've now got a very nice pot of coffee to enjoy. And yeah, so like I said, you can leave it to go cold, make cold brew with it if you wanted to. You can use your flavoured coffees, anything like that. As long as it's already ground from beans, it'll be great. So yeah, as a product, I really recommend it. It's fabulous. It's a lovely cup of coffee, and yeah, great product.